The Filipino value system plays a huge role in how we do business. This value guide the way we interact with customers, handle challenge, and build long-term success. Today, let's explore key Filipino value and how they impact business and entrepreneurship. First is bayanihan or community spirit and business collaboration. In business, bayanihan is seen when entrepreneurs support each other, whether through referrals, collaboration, or mentorship. Instead of competition, Filipino believe in working together for shared success. Second, paggalang or respect in customer service and business relationship. Respect is key in Filipino business culture, addressing customers politely instead of their needs and treating employees with kindness, creating a positive and lasting impression. Third, utang na loob, loyalty and business relationship. In business, utang na loob allows foster loyalty. Customers number act of kindness and repay them with continued support, making customers' relationships stronger. Pakikisama or harmony in the workplace and customer relation. Pakikisama help businesses maintain good relationship among employees, partners, and customers. A harmonious work environment leads to better teamwork and smoother operation. Fourth, strong family ties, family business and entrepreneurship. Many Filipino businesses are family-run. Parents pass down their knowledge, children help out, and success is shared. This value strengthens businesses across generations. Filipino values are not just personal belief, they are the foundation of successful business. By applying bayanihan, paggalang, utang na loob, pakikisama, and strong family ties, Filipino entrepreneurs creating meaningful relationships, build trust, and grow their business the right way. These values make Filipino businesses unique, reliant, and customer-centered.